is a value? Value, as the word itself connotes, is something that is very valuable or very important or very significant for you. See, your value may be that, I am a strict vegetarian. See, that is one of your values of life. I believe in non-violence. That's a value you adhere to. Yes, your belief system, something where you attach a lot of importance to that. There are others, and we say that, this, therefore we talk of value-oriented education. That you inculcate good values in the children, and if their foundation is strong, the superstructure or edifice will easily come up. You don't find any problems with teenagers or youth, who have had a good childhood. A good childhood means where they have been nurtured up well. But, when you find, even when you go to look at, this is almost a science, that, the life of criminals has been analyzed, and they come to this one conclusion, that somewhere behind, that criminal psyche is something, which has generated, or you can say degenerated to this level. So it's not that. So, that has happened on account of conditioning, and conditioning can happen in several ways. I think we all are very responsible as parents. I think we have a great role to play in the growing up of our children. Even a plant, if it is allowed to grow wild, it will just be wild grass or a weed. If a plant is not taken care of well, not nurtured well, not watered well, not protected well, even a plant, the law of nature is such, will not grow well, will not grow strong, will not grow healthy. Then how could it be otherwise with mankind? But what I was trying to mention is, friends, these values, when you have conditioned your value system, then your values, they start controlling your thoughts. See, like for a person who is an alcoholic, his value is, what does it matter? I can be an alcoholic. And until this set of value does not change, his thoughts, his acts, his behavior will not change. Because, friends, it has been very appropriately said that, ultimately every action, generates from a seed of thought. A thought is a seed, and the action is just like the blossoming, of the plant. And the fruits that you get, the joy or the misery, the happiness or the suffering. And therefore, this conditioning is extremely important. And this brings me to a very important aspect of our life, our day-to-day life, friends. I see here parents, who would be facing this as fathers and mothers or grandfathers and grandmothers with their younger generation. There would be husbands and wives, their problems are also not small. There is also the problem people talk on, the younger generation keeps on complaining about the older generation. And this has happened from the times of Aristotle. Sometimes I go to schools and teachers say, our students, our young generation is going to the dogs. And then I remind them, do you know that centuries ago, even Aristotle in his time had said and noted this observation that youth is going to the dogs. Probably every generation feels it that way. But then, where lies the solution? Talking of relationships, Because it's very important, friends. When you talk of happiness, relationship is an integral part of it. Most important thing is be at peace with your own mind, with your own self. Just try it out, That's why one of the simplest tips I think you get, people who are tempted to get angry, with every provocation that comes up to them. What are they told? That when you feel like getting angry, count 1 to 10. Why? Because in the process that you will count 1 to 10, that will be that cooling or calming or soothing effect, and it will